Um, I think it's just a random thought lang kasi I have some giver friends na they supporting, a lot of people, a lot of organization. And currently, um, I don't want to mention the name, but what I mean is this is for the general people that uh, you really need to check your friends, your give, especially for those people na giver, and for those people na, how do you call that in the family, breadwinner. And some of them actually are struggling. They don't want to talk about it. They don't want to talk about what are their problems and challenges that are facing. Some of them, you don't know that, you know I don't know, like maybe they are eating less just to give, just to give the resources that they produced for other people. And sadly, these are the people that actually really need help, that actually really need encouragement, because in our culture, these people, you know, are actually, you know, for me personally, these people actually have the strength to face those challenges and face those right now. But my point is, check your friends, check check them, because some are actually uh, they need at least word of encouragement, maybe a hug, that no words, just hug them, or just text them. Don't ask them like, hey, I need something, hey, wala na akong ganito, pahingi ako. So don't do that anymore. And then just, say a word of encouragement for them, especially for those people are struggling, for those people who are not well in front of other people, but it's actually he has the strength and the power when it comes to the crowd. But my advice is, you know check them, check them. So that is actually my advice. So check your um, giver friends, or those people that that actually a breadwinner or a giver. Because you know if you just text, or a simple text to them, a simple, a word of encouragement, for sure 100% they will cry, um because they really need that, because no one is asking, because in the crowd they have a power, to give all their resources, but deep inside they're actually struggling. Even yung kakainin na lang nila, ibibigay pa nila, something like that. And then it just a random thought lang na I was here inside the car. But um ayun, kumusta niyo sila, and then just say a word of encouragement. It's not that hard, just do it. And yeah, that's it.